Hello and welcome to another video. So we need to get dy dx out of this crazy equation, and the only way we're going to do that is by implicit differentiation. And this is what I'm going to do first. I'm going to rewrite this so it looks like this. You see, if this expression is written like this, instead of saying tan cubed xy squared plus y, then you can see now that you can actually bring this down when you do your first differentiation. So there's a ton of chains of differentiation we're going to do. So let's begin by differentiating both sides. Remember, the first step is you're differentiating both sides, and then you differentiate this two equals dx of this side. Well, we know that when you differentiate x, you're going to get 1. So I might as well leave that at the end, okay? So, but for now, let's differentiate this. Well, we're going to see this as a function, so we use the chain rule. So this is going to be 3 tan, you can put this in parentheses, tan xy squared plus y, then subtract 1, you get 2. That's the first step. Now we have to go inside and differentiate the function that's inside. If you differentiate tan of a function, it becomes secant squared. So we're going to multiply that, remember the chain rule, by secant squared, the same argument, xy squared plus y. Now we're done with the 2 outside. So we're in here now, we're taking care of this, we've taken care of this. We need to go in here and differentiate xy squared plus y. Okay, now when we differentiate xy squared plus y, we're still multiplying, don't forget. We're going to treat this as 2 separate functions, and this one will be a product, which you keep the first, differentiate the second. So if we keep the first, it's going to be x, and then we differentiate the second, it's going to be 2y dy dx, 2y dy dx. And then we're going to differentiate the first and keep the second. If we differentiate the first and keep the second, it's going to be 1 times, we keep the second, y squared. Good. And then we move on to this one. We just differentiate y, and that's going to be plus dy dx. And what do we get as our final answer on the right-hand side? It's going to be 1. Ooh. Now that's all you've got to do. Okay, that's the hardest part. Now the next thing is just to solve this so that you can get dy dx out from the parentheses. So at this point, you know what, since none of this contains dy dx, I'm going to take it to the other side. I'm going to divide both sides by this, so that I'm going to have in the next line, this is going to be 2xy dy dx plus dy dx plus the middle point is going to be y squared, will be 1 over all of this, and this is going to be 3 secant, no, this 3, I'm just going to write 3 tan, I'm going to move this back, that becomes tan squared xy squared plus y, then this will be secant squared xy squared plus y. Good. The next thing is to, well, this doesn't have dy dx, so we can as well take it to the other side. Okay, so we're gonna have, because I don't have a lot of space left, I'm gonna do 2 things at the same time. I'm gonna move this over, and I'm gonna factor this. So I'm gonna have dy dx. If I factor this, it's going to be 2xy plus 1. Okay, but I'm going to move this over, which is going to be 1, let's make it big, 1 over 3 tan squared xy squared plus y, secant squared xy squared plus y. minus y squared. Minus y squared. So I'm going to write it as y squared over 1. Now we can take the least common multiple of both, okay? That's going to be equal to, if we take the least common multiple of both and then we resolve it, here you're still going to have 1, but now it's going to be minus this times this. So if we, that's going to be 3y squared, then you have tan squared xy squared plus y, then secant squared xy squared plus y, all over, what do we have? Just this. That's 3 tan squared xy squared plus y, secant squared xy squared plus y. Yes. Now, the last thing is just to divide both sides by this, and there'll be nothing complicated. We just need to move this here, and we're done. So we have dy dx will be equal to 1 minus 3y squared tan squared xy squared plus y secant squared xy squared plus y all over, this going down here becomes 2xy minus 1 into, oh, we gotta move this 3 here because it looks better. Let's put the 3 in front, okay, and then we can now write tan squared xy squared plus y secant squared xy squared plus y. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the undefeated dy dx. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Don't stop learning, because those who stop learning have stopped living.